how this course works. All right, this is structured around one YouTube checklist, right? It's going through a video and doing top to bottom optimization of everything that has to happen, including tracking and understanding the optimization piece of it afterward. Meaning this is like an entire execution loop of one video content. So it can be repeated over and over again. So essentially it breaks down to determining what you're going to do a video on, optimizing that video correctly to get it loaded in, and then how to, make any kind of modifications once you've got it posted on YouTube. So it's very systematic and it's not speculative at all. We'll also include, a one-time setup of your channel that you have to do once. That is how the course is structured, and that is how we're going to be successful in our YouTube SEO strategy here.